Yes,
Mangala, tell us, just to give us like two things that you would advise folks who are right now in the course and probably by the end of this month going to be done with the course. What should they do?
first of all, don't stress out. Most importantly, as much as you know the subject, you need to prepare on basic questions like explain about yourself or some general questions, that behavioral questions that you have to know. Sometimes you're so well prepared in your pharmacovigilance part that you just forget that behavioral questions are also very important. So give it equal importance. Don't go around referring too many things to do, because nothing's going to be equal to your live experience. Give your first or your second interview, or give it like it's a trial. Get to know what questions they are going to ask you, because some are going to be repetitive. Don't take it too seriously. Just refer to the modules that you are doing right now. That's way more than enough to get you through your interviews and get yourself a job.
Thank you, Mangala. Thank you for your time. I wish you the best.
You, sir. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mangala. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Thank you, Mangala. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Awesome. Thanks, Mangala. Okay.